Guys, make sure you stand till the end, okay? Because this is the old fluid, this is the new one. That's what it should look like, not like this one. So probably you should have done that a few years ago. Let's start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video, guys, for any of you trying to do, guys, a transfer case, oil change, fluid change on Porsche Cayenne, Volkswagen Touareg or Audi Q7 first generation. All of these were built on the same platform. Many of the things will be exactly interchangeable, guys. And to save you money, if you have a Porsche or an Audi, you're looking for specific parts, 70-80% of the parts on that Cayenne are actually out of Volkswagen Touareg, and they could be 2-3 times cheaper. So if you need replacement parts, always check the part number for Volkswagen Touareg as well. This is the oil that we'll be using, ATF Top Tech 1200. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a really good price, quick shipping as well. And this is, guys, the pump which will make our life much easier. Now, guys, if we come right here under the Cayenne, we need an 8mm socket. Now, let me get right here. You see, that's your transfer case right there. The oil drain plug, okay, you see, will be on the bottom right there, and the fuel plug on top. So we're going to go ahead and remove the bottom drain plug now. Let's go ahead, start pre-loosening that one. Guys, be prepared that it's going to come out fast once you remove it. Wear eye protection gloves as well. That's the ATF transmission fluid in it. You see how fast it comes? Super fast, no joke. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at how black that thing is. 210,000 miles, I guarantee you it's never been replaced because it's been in us for a while. And before that, okay, from what I see, he didn't have the best wife too. So we're pre-loosening the top one now. Okay, this one quite tight. We might need to get the big ratchet. Let's get the big torque bar. Okay, let me pass it here. Okay, so it may actually help us do that a little bit easier. This is it, this is the big one. So let me grab it, pass it here. Okay, that way, okay, we can have them for the torque specs there as well. So now, okay, quite tight, that's crazy. Careful not to slip. Okay, it's still not going. We need to tap on that thing with the hammer a couple of times, just gently, okay, to make sure that the socket goes in all the way so it doesn't strip as well. So we will install the drain plug. So, okay, everything came out, just so it's not dripping there on us. Okay, we'll get the hammer, tap on it gently, okay, make sure it goes all the way in. Okay, not to break the casing too, okay. To make sure that the Allen wrench goes in as well. We might need to support it with one hand on top. Okay, it cleaned itself, so it's going in now. Good. Okay, and let's see now if it's going to come off. Quite tight. I need to get the bigger bar. Okay, this one won't do it. So guys, I'm gonna get the bigger tools now because obviously, okay, this one, let me try the other wrench. If I can do that one, if not I'll get something even bigger after that. I'm just scared not to strip. Okay, the 8mm Allen wrench. These Allen wrenches are always a pain, guys. Always. So yeah, I'm right here. Let's tap on it. That one is so scary. I hate doing those things. Okay. Okay, it's going to strip, I think. That's going to be bad news. Yep, it's starting to strip from what I see. Okay, so we tapped it a couple more times, guys. Oh my goodness. That thing never been removed. 19 years, guys. 19 years will do that to it. Okay. So, yeah, this is the fuel plug with the original seal on top still. Never been removed. Okay, let's get the stuff out now. We'll get the fluid. We want to put the new fluid and the old fluid next to each other. I want to show you what it looks like. Believe this one is at around 210,000 miles. That's how much we have on the cork on this one now. We've been towing quite a few cars as well. We've been driving it hard, off-roading. Colorado mountains, Rocky Mountains, quite a bit of time there. So, okay, let me get a cup. That's the oil that we had. Okay, we started with completely clean, okay, completely, guys, clean container, right? Okay, that's the old ATF fluid in it. Okay, now we're going to get the new one. Let me show you now. That's the new one. But I'll just use the little one because the other one will be for the transmission. It's the same kind as your transmission fluid, by the way. And this one now, wow, that's amazing. That even has a thing to fill it in. So we will use that thing, okay? Watch that one. That's amazing for the transfer case. So instead of, guys, okay, wasting that one, okay, it's the same kind. This is just the 5-liter jug, so I cannot refill the other one later, put it back in. I'll use that one. And let me show you the difference in both. That's the old, that's the new stuff. Do you see the difference? Okay, that's unbelievable. So guys, I'm going inside now. We may not even use the pump this time, I think. With that amazing attachment that the leaky moly has, I think it will make our life much easier. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, coming under the vehicle. Okay, we crawled under that thing so many times today. We're gonna be sore tomorrow from all that movement. Okay, and we're going through the, okay, remember we haven't tightened the drain plug yet, right? It's not tightened all the way, so let me fix that one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. This one, I'm going to do it after I tighten this one because my wrench is stuck there. Okay, if it starts dripping, I'll stop, but make sure at the end you tighten both plugs correctly. So we're going to go in. Okay, and we start adding fluid. You keep adding until it starts dripping, guys. Okay. It starts dripping on me here from the hose. I need to have the drain plug ready. Let me wipe it to make sure everything's good, not contaminated, because it will be very soon. Okay, it's coming, guys. Any minute. I can hear it. Do you hear the noise? That thing is almost empty. The car is completely leveled. Okay, and we just started dripping here. Okay. install the plug. He has about 150 millimeters, probably the most left there. So it's probably about 850 millimeters that he took. So let me go ahead and tighten this one. I probably should take the smaller ratchet. Let me see. I don't want to over tighten that thing like it was. Okay, and now this one here as well. And guys, guess what? After this one, the differential of the transfer case oil, guys, has been changed. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, help us grow that channel so we can help more people, save more people money, guys. That's our goal here at the garage, to save you as much money as we can. Please subscribe, like the video, and see you guys next time.